Hey guys, welcome back to How's It Doing Garage. So today we're going to do a little video of installing the LS-Fabrications 73 to 87 tailgate saver on Uncle Buck. It should be a short little video. It's pretty simple to do. First off, we have everything that comes with the kit. A little business card, sticker, the shock, keychain, a couple ball studs, washer, a couple nuts, a nutsert, button head cap screw, little stainless bracket. You got to go to their website and they'll have a full detailed instructions on how to install the kit, but you know, who wants to read? So there's YouTube, which is why I'm here. So tools for the job you'll need: a couple wrenches, take apart some stuff, a little thread locker, tape measure, and a Sharpay, Phillips screwdriver, ratchet, various power tools. You need a drill. You don't need a belt sander, but you need some sort of metal removal tool. I just got a drill. You're going to start with, you need to install this ball screw stud in here and the tailgate trunnion down here. So I don't know why, but this kit, these ball screws are metric in this kit, and my tailgate is a standard thread. So I don't know if they just accidentally sent me the wrong stuff or what, but I had to come in and actually tap my tailgate because a 5/16 thread, which is what it originally was, this 5/16 thread is pretty close to the same pitch as the metric thread. So I just ran the tap in there and cleaned it up a little bit, and it seems to be fine. But you're going to want to put thread locker on this ball screw, because it will back out. There's a lot of vibration back here. So I'm going to grab a washer, thread this here screw in, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, now that you got that screwed in there, the next step is going to be actually removing the tail light and then this little bumper right here. Alright guys, so while I was actually fitting the ball screw, I had a GoPro mess up. For some reason it didn't record the sound, but I'll try and redo it. It's already assembled, but we'll try and redo it here. So once you get your tail light out, what you're going to want to do is this top trunnion bolt here. You're going to want to measure up 6 inches. I'm just going to bring you to the center of this, and then from this part of your box, you're going to want to come out 1/2 inch. So up 6 and then back 1/2 inch, and then mark it and drill a hole, and then bolt the bracket in. Make sure you put the thread locker on this bolt, bolt the bracket in, and then come down here with a 5/16 drill bit, and you're going to drill this hole, and then you put this bolt in with some thread locker and tighten it all down, and then hook your shock up, which my shock is a little short, but you're going to hook your shock up and then put your tail light and everything back in. Make sure it's all tight, squirt a little paint in there or whatever. Hold on, let me pull this shock up real quick. It takes a second, but So you just snap the cylinder on there, and then you should be good to go. So as you can see, pretty simple install. Maybe it took me 15-20 minutes at the most, but I mean, look at that. It's pretty gnarly. So it's your end result, finished product. I would come up behind where you drilled these holes, put a little spray paint in there, keep it from rusting up. You know, make sure you do use your Loctite so them bolts don't come out and all that. And I think this whole kit, don't get me wrong, was about like 90 bucks shipped, which I mean, heck, I would have paid 90 bucks for the square body keychain and the sticker. So props to LS-Fab, making a pretty cool product. I know they got some other Tailgate products that I'm going to check out and probably pick up in the future and maybe do some videos on them. But for now, that's going to do it for the LS-Fab Tailgate Saver Kit for the 7387 square body truck. See you guys on the next video.